Chapter first electricity. We have discussed earlier up to Ohm's law. I did some numerical problems on Ohm's law for calculation of resistance, potential difference or current. Now, in Ohm's law, I have explained about resistance. I gave definition of resistance and its unit. Now here, this chapter advances by the head factors affecting resistance of a conductor. Factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. Factors, make it capital, factors affecting resistance of a conductor. Factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. So, among factors on which resistance of a conductor depends, first is length. Resistance of a conductor is proportional to its length. Resistance R is proportional to L. More length, more will be the resistance of the conductor. So, first thing on which it depends is length of conductor. Length of the conductor. And I told it is proportional to the length, means more length resistance will be more, for less length resistance will be less. Second factor on which resistance of a conductor depends is area of cross section. Area of cross section A. R is proportional to 1 upon A. Means if area of cross section will be more, resistance will be less. And if area of cross section will be less, resistance will be more. It is because thickness of conductor acts like a tunnel. If more widened tunnel will be there, water will flow more easily through the tunnel, and if it is narrow, it will resist the flow of water. Likewise, for a thicker wire, resistance of conductor is less, because easily electrons or charges will pass through the conductor, and if it is fine or if area of cross section is less, then resistance will be more, because charges will collide each other and conductor will offer a resistance in the passage of the charges or electrons. So it is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. And third is it depends on material of the conductor. It depends on the nature of material or nature of the conductor. For example, silver is best conductor. So if resistance is made of silver, very low resistance will it offer, because it is a very or at the highest point among good conductors. After that, gold, copper, aluminum, likewise, series goes on. So depends on material of the conductor, depends on material of the conductor. So joining these two, we have R is proportional to L upon A. R written as R is equal to rho L upon A. This rho is known as material of the conductor. For very good conductors like silver, gold, copper, resistance will be less. And for other conductors like aluminum, iron, etc., it will be comparatively greater. So this relation R, resistance of conductor, is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is known as specific resistance or resistivity of the conductor. I shall explain it after this. And fourth point on which resistance of the conductor depends is temperature. Resistance of a conductor increases by increasing temperature and decreases by decreasing temperature often, but increase or decrease is not in the same manner, so it cannot be written as proportional. Therefore, two proportionality, one is length, other is 1 upon 8, and so this relation R, resistance of conductor, is rho L upon 8, and resistance increases by increasing temperature for solids and decreases for decreasing temperature. So these are 4 points on which resistance of a conductor depends. Then I used a word here, resistivity or specific resistance of a conductor, which is written here by rho. It looks like P, it is rho. Written this way, R-O-W, rho. R is equal to rho L upon A. This is formula for calculating resistance of a conductor, known as rho is known as resistivity. So what is specific resistance? R, specific resistance, rho or resistivity. Specific resistance of a conductor is defined as resistance of a conductor of unit area of cross section and unit length if current is passed parallel to the length. Look here, I gave you R is equal to rho L upon A. It is rho. Therefore, rho will be what? A into R upon L. This is a specific resistance. This specific resistance is equal to area. So if area becomes 1, length becomes 1, then rho and R will be equal. So I define that specific resistance of a conductor is the resistance of the conductor of unit length and unit area of the cross section. If length is unit, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, whatever you take, and if area is 1 centimeter square or 1 meter square, then resistance and specific resistance will be equal, unit will change. Here specific resistance is you will take centimeter, then it is centimeter square into ohm upon centimeter, so it will be ohm centimeter. Unit is ohm centimeter. If you take meter, then meter square upon meter into rho, then ohm meter. Depends on unit you are using. In SI system, it is ohm meter, but in CGS or other unit is ohm centimeter. So, remember it. We discussed here resistance of a conductor, the factors on which it depends, and I explained specific resistance or resistivity of conductor. In your book, I told unit of specific resistance or rho is ohm centimeter or ohm meter. It is also given in your book. You see here on page 23 of your book, a chart is given. Look here. Substance and resistivity. Here silver is at the top, whose resistivity is 1.60 into 10 to the power minus 8. Then for copper it is slightly more, 1.69. For aluminium it is generally 1.5 times of that, 2.63 into 10 to the power minus 8. And for tungsten it is more, for nickel it is more than tungsten, likewise iron. And for alloys you see here manganene, which is used for resistance in apparatus or in lab. Constantan nichrome is 110 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, likewise. So, here is a chart which will help you to understand which is the best conductor of electricity. So, silver is at the top, the gold is not mentioned here, gold comes in between silver and copper. Thus, this head is completed. Yes, here it is given that in electric iron, generally nichrome resistance is used. Why? Because its resistance is high, so its heating element is made up of nichrome, which is an alloy having a comparatively high resistance. So, some numerical questions are asked on this factor affecting resistance and resistivity. Let us explain some of them, because numerical aspect is very important from the examination point of view. So, let us take an example. Here multiple choice questions are given. Number 25 on page 27. Before that, some questions are there. Most of the questions are theoretical, but here see. Resistance of wire of length 300 meter and cross section area 1 millimeter square made of material of resistivity 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. Then what will be its resistance? Its resistivity is number 25, numerical problem on page 27 of your book, Lakshmi Singh. Here gives rho is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm centimeter. It is ohm, not centimeter, meter, ohm meter, rho, and length is given So its resistance will be what? Remember here, R is equal to rho L upon A. So rho is given here 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. Length is 300 meters. This is in meter, this is in meter, but area is in millimeter square. Millimeter is converted to meter is 1 upon 1000 square. 1 millimeter means 1 upon 1000, and because millimeter square is there, so 1000 square. So it will be like this 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 300 into 1000 square is 10 cube. So square will be 10 to the power 6. So this and this will cancel. 10 is here. 10 to the power minus 1 is here. So 1.0 into 1 upon 10 into 300. This 0 gets cut and it comes 30 ohm. So resistance of the wire in this problem is 30 ohm and option is D here. Understood? So try to understand. More numerical problems may be here, but let me see. Number 27 is if resistance of a certain copper wire is 1 ohm, then the resistance of similar nichrome wire will be about nichrome. It has given to 1 ohm copper wire is 1 ohm. It has resistance. Resistance of similar nichrome wire. So here resistivity is to be considered. Specific resistance of copper is what? See the chart here given. Because this question is based, copper is 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 8. It is specific resistance and length and area of cross section is such that its resistance is equal to 1 ohm. When length and area of cross section is same, resistivity changes to nichrome. Let me see nichrome. Yes, nichrome. And resistivity, specific resistance is 110 into 10 to the power 8. 110 into 10 to the power minus 8. Yes. So what will be resistance? So here 110 into 10 to the power minus 8. And below it will come 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 8. L and L will cancel. This cancels. 110 by 1.69. It will come about how much? 110 divided by 1.69. Here options are given. 110 divided by 1.69 on 1.69 into 100. If this figure is divided, then 6 times something comes. So about 60 ohms. Multiply this by 6, you will get 60. 6 9 ja 54. 16 6 ja 96 and 5 is 101. So 60. It is about 6 times. Similar like over 60 ohm. Option is C here. So you have to consider resistivity of the substances, then you can answer to this question. So in this way Many sort of numerical problems can be asked based on resistivity. Some facts will be given. You have to calculate by using your mathematical and numerical concept. So let us stop over here. Video is of about 21 minutes.